Unlock income potential with the AI Side Hustles Chatbot course. The AI Side Hustles Chatbot course empowers diverse individuals to learn and earn through AI, offering step-by-step guidance to master various side hustles, with tangible results promised within just 60 days. Are you ready to unlock the power of AI and start a side hustle that generates real results? Welcome to the AI Side Hustles Chatbot course, your pathway to mastering AI and earning income in just 60 days. The custom chatbot offers personalized timelines based on the user's availability and goals. For a more in-depth experience, you can complete the learning curve in as little as 60 days or up to 90 days for a more in-depth experience. This custom chatbot-led course is designed to teach you how to earn from a choice of 11 AI side hustles. Guided by trained custom chatbots, you'll gain the skills and knowledge needed to excel in your chosen hustle and start earning income within 60 days. Whether you're a freelancer seeking a new skill, a small business owner looking to enhance operations, or an AI enthusiast ready to explore innovative side hustles, this course is for you. With step-by-step guidance from a trained custom chatbot, you'll master everything from understanding the fundamentals to building and marketing your chosen AI side hustle topic. The chatbot is with you every step of the way to ensure success. Learn from AI real-world examples and proven strategies that will help you achieve measurable results within 60 days. Trained custom chatbots deliver actionable insights to set you up for success. Take the first step towards earning with AI. Enroll in the AI Side Hustles Chatbot course now and let trained custom chatbots guide you to income-generating success. During the course pre-sale, you get 1. A free AI Side Hustles ebook, 2. 50% off the costs, 3. Free access to the community, 4. Free access to the AI Learning Hub, and 5. A free second course. The future of learning AI is here. Start earning with AI today. Visit the link in the description for more info and to get started.